Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NETE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and just the biggest volume it's had, and it's not even close. It's not even up for debate. So the chart really firing on both cylinders in terms of price action and volume. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you're saying, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be there at 55 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 55 cents, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power for the bulls. Next level of support after that would be this consolidation area down there, right around the 42 cent mark. So 55 cents and 42 cents, a couple of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. So if you're looking for a very cut and dry way to gauge and measure the current strength or lack thereof of the current price movement, just use that purple line. Simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the purple line itself moves higher, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time, and I'm just going to talk about one level of resistance, and I'll explain that in a second. But that is right up there at the 68 cent mark. So 68 cents, key level of resistance. Reason I'm only talking about one is, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really the top priority right now. Top priority for the chart is going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over the big picture of things, the long-term chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So monster move today. We'll see if the bulls can keep up this momentum into tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.